Every trip to the grocery store seems to cost more than the last. But what if I told you that just a small backyard or even a few containers could help you grow food that keeps paying you back for months? Today, I'm sharing 15 vegetables that can save you the most money, and many of them are easy enough for beginners to start right now. Let's get into it. These aren't just vegetables that grow well, they're vegetables that people buy again and again at the grocery store. Growing them yourself can reduce your grocery bill while giving you fresher, healthier food. Let's start with number 15, radishes. Radishes grow incredibly fast. Some varieties are ready in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. They're easy to grow, require very little care, and perfect if you want quick results. 14. Green onions. Instead of buying green onions every week, plant them once and harvest them over and over again. They take up very little space and are great for containers. 13. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables for beginners. Instead of harvesting the whole plant, pick the outer leaves and it keeps producing more for weeks. 12. Spinach. Spinach is packed with nutrients and grows well in cooler weather. Since it's often expensive in stores, growing your own can save a surprising amount of money. 11. Kale. Kale keeps producing for months if you harvest the outer leaves. One healthy plant can produce dozens of harvests. 10. Carrots. Carrots are inexpensive to grow, store well after harvest, and taste much fresher than many store-bought ones. 9. Beets. Beets give you 2 harvests in one. You can eat both the roots and the leafy tops, making them excellent value. 8. Bush beans. Bush beans produce heavily in a short time and don't need much space. They're one of the most productive vegetables for small gardens. 7. Cucumbers. A single healthy cucumber plant can produce many cucumbers throughout the season, making it a great money-saving crop. 6. Zucchini. Gardeners often joke that one zucchini plant produces more than they know what to do with. It's one of the highest yield vegetables you can grow. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the most purchased vegetables, technically a fruit, but also one of the most rewarding to grow. Homegrown tomatoes are often sweeter and more flavorful than store-bought ones. 4. Bell peppers. Bell peppers can be expensive in many supermarkets. A few plants can produce enough peppers for cooking throughout the season. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes are filling, versatile, and can produce several times the amount you originally planted. They're one of the best crops if you want plenty of food from a small space. 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are nutritious and productive. Even better, you can also eat the young leaves in many recipes, giving you even more value from each plant. 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the smartest vegetables to grow. Plant 1 clove and months later you can harvest an entire bulb. Save a few cloves from your harvest, plant them again, and you can keep growing garlic year after year. The best part about these vegetables isn't just that they're easy to grow, it's that every harvest is one less item you have to buy from the grocery store. Even if you only have a small backyard or a few containers, starting with just a handful of these crops can make a real difference over time. If you're serious about growing more food while spending less money, you're in the right place. In the next video, we'll look at 10 foods you should stop buying because they're surprisingly easy to grow at home. You won't want to miss that one. Until then, thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.